to my channel. This is Naeema and today I'm going to make fridge magnet. It's so easy to make. So you need that old toys which you are not playing. That toys you can take. I'm taking my old toys and your photo. I take my photo and magnets and glue gun. That much you need for making fridge magnet. Now let's make glue gun. So easy. In this I keep my photo. It's my happy birthday photo. It's so nice. This I put in the intro video. After sticking the picture or something like you like, and take the magnet and stick it. Put the glue gun and put it. Press it. Done! Magnet is ready. Now let's make the next magnet. So with this, it's ready. This is my old Elsa watch. With this also I'm going to make fridge magnet. Let's go with this. What is you don't need this? You can keep your glue gun and you can keep it. Now the next magnet also ready. Here is our magnet. So it's my old toy. In this I keep your glue gun and I'm going to stick the magnet. Yes, it's ready. And it's my old toy. It's my old sports car. Swing, swing. Now with this also I'm going to make magnet. Now I need a glue gun. Let's make. It's my real face only. It's my smiley toy. Hi! With this also I'm going to make magnet. I need glue gun now. So in this car I'm going to stick the magnet. Yeah. Now the car magnet also done. Check. I get the magnet. I need to press now. Now the smiley magnet is ready. I'm doing this. Yes. It's perfect. It's perfect. Now this is this. Oh. And here. This I'm going to stick like this. Oh, I can stick. I'm going to stick like this because it's hitting here. Like this. I want to stick this. No, wait. It's supposed to be like this. I can stick here. And this dolphin. Hi. Now the big magnet. And I have this much fridge magnets I have made here. Now I will stick in the fridge and show you. Let's see a surprise! Ta-da! It's so beautiful. I love it. It's so nice and beautiful. Wow! All the magnets are so nice. Wow. Oh! So yeah, if you like my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Press the bell button, then you can see fastly. Bye! See you in the next video.